Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today we're doing something so exciting, or at least it's exciting to me. I need to find out who has the best coffee in Orlando, okay? Specifically around UCF. I'm in college, I'm trying to do YouTube, I'm trying to figure this thing out. I need coffee and I need to know which has the best coffee. So we are going to go on a mission. If you didn't know, there is 4 coffee shops literally just around UCF. So we're gonna find out who has the best coffee, and yeah, so just keep watching.
Welcome to Foxtail.
Hello. Could I have 2 shots of espresso iced?
Okay, anything in there or just the 2 shots?
Could I have extra almond milk?
Okay, so that would be a latte.
Perfect, I'll have a latte then.
Okay, anything else?
Do you have stevia?
Yes, we have packets of it.
Perfect, could I have 2 stevia in there?
Perfect.
And then that's all.
Regular latte, you said with almond milk and 2 stevia.
And could I have that iced?
Anything else?
Nope, that's all.
See you at the window.
Alright, thank you.
Alrighty, here you go.
Thank you so
Have a
much.
great day.
You too. Secure the bag.
453 is total, okay?
Awesome, thank you.
Pleasure.
All right, so I have secured the bags. I have 4 different drinks. Here is the battle of the lattes. First, I'll just do it in the order that I went and got the drinks in. So the first one is probably the most expensive one. This is from Lineage. It is on University, obviously. And this was $5.01 or something for 2 shots of espresso. So I got the same order from every store so we could be as consistent as possible. They were like super friendly there. They were really nice. So if you're having a bad day, definitely go to that one. So let's taste it. That's good. That's delicious. I'm wondering if they put sugar in it because it tastes like you don't get that bitter espresso taste. It's really, really smooth. That is so good. So all of the lattes, like I said, are 2 shots of espresso, 2 stevia, and almond milk. So this is delicious. All right, Lineage is a win. Let's go on to the next. All right, so after Lineage, I went to Foxtail. This one is slightly bigger than the Lineage one. I think this one's the smallest, and all the rest are the size of a grande from Starbucks if you need a comparison. So this one was $5.84 because it gave an option to give them a tip. So I think without the tip, it was exactly $5 as well. So same price. I don't taste anything. This is like so plain. That's so weird. So this doesn't have like any flavor at all. I really only taste almond milk. I don't taste like any espresso. So that is so interesting. I don't taste the stevia. All right, this one so far is last place, and I guess first place is Lineage because I just tried them. All right, then next after Foxtail, I went to Dunkin'. Yep, I got an iced latte, almond milk, blah, blah, blah. This one, I got a vanilla shot. Not a flavor, a flavor shot. It's sugar-free. And I like that Dunkin' gives you the option to put like flavors in your drink. I think it makes it like different and special. Yeah, that's good.
That's a good coffee.
Okay, so even without the flavor shot, I think I can still taste the coffee. I mean the espresso. I'm sorry. I can still taste the espresso. I'm shocked that this tastes so good to me. I honestly thought that Foxtail and Lineage would like blow this out of the water. This was $4.83, so it was slightly cheaper. And they did kind of like rush me through it.
They're like, what's up? Yeah, order, blah, blah, blah.
So they weren't like super friendly. So if you're having a really bad day, maybe like don't go there. If you need like the moral support of Lineage. All right, and lastly, all right, so let me rank them. I'm gonna go first Lineage because they were so nice and the coffee is delicious, and then Dunkin', and then Foxtail. Foxtail right now is still in last place. Oh, this one's Starbucks if I didn't tell you. Okay, here's my thoughts on the Starbucks. So it is so bitter, but it tastes so good, you know? I don't know, this is a hard one. All right, hands down, Lineage wins. Okay, here's the deal. Lineage is definitely number one. They are pricey. I went there once and got, I think, this latte and a croissant, and it was like $10. So if you have money to blow and you have, and like you just want to have a good day and you want to just go through drive-through, get your little coffee or your espresso, I think Lineage is the way to go. If you're going for caffeine and you want an okay experience, go to Starbucks. If your day is shit and you need like a pick-me-up, do not go to Dunkin'. If your day's going great and you don't care if somebody's gonna dampen it, go to Dunkin'. If you want like different flavors, go to Dunkin'. If you're worried about cost, go to Dunkin'. I don't know about Foxtail. I'm surprised that this tastes like nothing to me. Whenever I go there, they have good breakfast sandwiches, don't get me wrong. Like, they have really good breakfast sandwiches. But when are you gonna be leaving UCF and like want a breakfast sandwich, you know? I'm shocked that it tastes like nothing. Okay, the results are in. Lineage. Honestly, I thought there would be a clear winner. And like, if you go to any one of them, you'll be happy. Like, any one of them. Because you can get anything you want. Like, I personally go for the espresso drinks, but each one of them have the same basic foods other than breakfast sandwiches. So Lineage doesn't have breakfast sandwiches, but they have like croissants and bakery items. Starbucks has everything. Dunkin' has everything. Not as good a quality in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. And then Foxtail has really fire breakfast sandwiches. So if you're just wanting a breakfast sandwich, go to Foxtail. If you want coffee, don't make that your first choice, I mean. Which is so weird because I'm pretty sure Foxtail carries Lineage coffee. I don't get it. Maybe they had to switch brands because Lineage opened up, and so now this new brand tastes like nothing. All right, there you have it. The best coffee around UCF in Orlando. And if you guys are wondering what I'm gonna do with all this coffee, I typically drink an iced quad espresso a day. I know it's a lot, but I have a lot going on in my life and this just keeps me going, so I will literally drink these in 2 days, so it will not go to waste. Do not fret. All right, guys, thank you for joining me today. This was so fun, and I have a very exciting announcement that I'm going to be making next week, so make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to have a regularly planned video. I cannot talk. A regularly planned video, and then also an announcement. So I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.